I forget. Tell them what's up. Some niggas start streets.
Deadshot Vision Productions, man. Take your ass over there and watch that shit, man. It's lit.
Okay. So still out here in LA. What you can see.
Two cups. I
met a female dragon, had a fire conversation.
Okay. Oh hell no.
I need to sit right next to him too.
It's alright. So we're walking back to the car. Can you tell them what happened?
It's hot.
It's hot. That's why we're walking back. It's hot. It's too damn hot.
Hot. Ah.
Water!
I don't need it.
I don't need it!
I need it!
Ain't got no car.
I go all the way back.
Whoo! Yeah. So now we're walking back to where we were just at.
Was that seriously David Beckham though last night?
No.
Ah, you playing, nigga? Make it seem like I missed all the good shit. Hey. Hey. Oh, you must be here to get your hair cut. He's not having it today. He said, fuck that.
He's out here catching heat strokes, man, over this. Ooh. Happy, dog?
If I faint, nigga, call my mom. Mama, I love you. It'll be, hold it down. Little son.
Hey, what up though? Hey, you guys ready to come in? It's hot out here. Hey, what's up? Kind of nice actually. You vlogging?
Yeah, sir.
What up? Hey, what up though? What's poppin'? What's good? Hey, what's the vlog channel?
Deadshot Vision Productions.
All right.
So go
We're gonna check it out.
Y'all good?
You already know we out here.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell them what's up. Hey, I forget. You got it done? Yes, sir. Got 1, 2. Got it. Appreciate it. Man, we miss you in there.
Where these niggas at?
They inside right now. What's up, man?
Where's that shit at?
The barbershop right here.
Oh, okay. Okay, y'all leaving right now?
Yeah.
What's up, bro? I'm outside right now. I'm outside of it.
Come through.
Split splash on your bitch. Alright, I'm coming in. Deadshot Vision Productions, man. Take your ass over there and watch that shit, man. It's lit. Aqua nigga himself, you know what I'm saying? Split splash, all these niggas dead. You know? Split splash, Aqua nigga, the devil ain't making it flies, bitch.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Easy.
But we finally got to go meet the late and great Mystic. Got jokes. Took a while. But we got it done. And we got to see Aqua nigga. You know, split splash. So yeah, thanks you guys for watching the vlog. We appreciate it very much. Whoop, whoop. Catch you guys on the next one. Whoop, whoop. Rules have been Constantine. What? Devil on my soul.